In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare advisory dashboards in QuickBooks Accountant using Get Things Done, Business Overview, and Cash Flow Planner. Start by logging into QuickBooks Accountant on your desktop. Once you're signed in, head to the Clients area under the section labeled Your Practice. This is where you'll see your client list. Select the client you want to prepare an advisory dashboard for. Choosing the specific client ensures the dashboards reflect their actual books, so every insight you see is relevant to their business. Inside the client's overview, look for Your Books, then click Dashboards. This is your central hub for advisory insights. You'll move through 3 views here, each designed to answer a different question about the client's operations. Begin with Get Things Done. This view surfaces actionable items and pending tasks tied to the client's books. Think of it as your productivity command center. It highlights what needs attention so you can prioritize quickly. Use it to spot outstanding tasks and to keep your workflow organized. As you review, make mental notes of items that may influence your next meeting agenda or follow-up emails. Next, switch to Business Overview. Here, you'll review key financial metrics like revenue, expenses, and profitability. This is your high-level snapshot of how the business is performing. Look for trends across the period displayed. Are revenues growing? Are expenses spiking? How healthy are margins? Use this context to frame your advisory narrative, focusing on what's driving results and where there may be opportunities to improve. Then open Cash Flow Planner. This view projects cash inflows and outflows so you can plan for upcoming needs. It's especially helpful for spotting cash gaps in advance or confirming that the client can comfortably cover obligations. Remember, it's a forecast based on known and expected activity, so its usefulness improves as the books stay up to date. To tailor these dashboards, use any available filters or date ranges. Adjust the period to last month, year to date, or a custom range that matches the client's fiscal calendar. Narrowing the view helps isolate seasonality, recent changes, or specific campaigns. If your firm tracks additional dimensions, apply those filters to focus on the areas that matter most. If you want to share insights, you can optionally export or print the dashboard. This makes it simple to include visuals in emails or meeting packets, and it keeps everyone aligned on the same numbers. That's how you prepare advisory dashboards in QuickBooks Accountant using Get Things Done, Business Overview, and Cash Flow Planner. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.